Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Sierra Denali. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, as well as black leather seating, heated seats, as well as air-conditioned seats, hard tonneau cover, four-wheel drive, and V8 engine. On the interior of the vehicle, we have our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, and below a Bose speaker and storage. On the inside, we have our leather seats with Denali badging on the headrest. We have our gray stitching and black leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. These are heated and air-conditioned cooled seats. Then we have our power seat adjustment with lumbar support. Leather on our center console with some wood trim and two cup holders. Steering wheel features Denali badging, as well as our cruise control, heated steering wheel, and then controls for the screen in the middle of the gauge cluster. Then off to the left, we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive system, and lighting controls. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with GMC badge center caps. We have Denali featured in chrome off to the side, chrome mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back, we can see our hard tonneau cover, Sierra and GMC badging, as well as Denali badging, and a paint match bumper with bumper steps with hitch underneath. The rear door panel is very similar to the front with wooden trim, window switch, and our chrome door handle. We also have a leather armrest, storage, and speaker. The rear seats are also featured in black leather with a fold-out center seat featuring two cup holders. And back of the front seats, we have speakers and a magazine holder. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 GMC Sierra Denali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.